Kindergarten writers, today I'd like to remind you all that as kindergarten students, you are alphabet experts, letter experts. And there's a special kind of letter that I think you know a lot about. They're called vowels. There's a song that I sing that helps me remember them. Ready? I can name the vowels for you and you can name them too. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, and you can name them too. Let's sing it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I can name the vowels for you and you can name them too. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, and you can name them too. Vowels are super important when we write because you actually cannot make a word without at least one vowel. Let's take a closer look at the vowels and the sounds that they make. The letter A makes the sound ah, like in the word apple. The sound of ah is also in the word at, cat. The letter E makes the sound eh, like in the word egg. The sound of eh is also in the middle of the word eh, d, red. The letter I makes the sound I, as in igloo. The sound I is also in the middle of this word. S, I, x, 6. The letter O makes the sound ah at the beginning of the word octopus. It's also in the middle of this word. D, ah, g, dog. The letter U makes the sound in the word umbrella. You also hear the letter U saying in the middle of this word. B, s, bus. So let's think again about the sounds of the vowels. You say them when I ask. The letter A says ah. The letter E says eh. The letter I says I. The letter O says ah. And the letter U says Remember, if you're going to write a word, you need at least one vowel, usually in the middle of the word. Take a look at your own writing to see if you have these important letters A, E, I, O, and U to help make your words easier to read. Thank you for listening, and off you go.